Hi guys, it's Habib here. Are you tired of using the mobile version of YouTube and want to access the desktop site on your phone? In this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to access the YouTube desktop site right on your phone using your mobile browser. So if you're an Android user, head on to Google Chrome, and if you're an iPhone user, Safari is where we're gonna go. So if you're a beginner or growing YouTuber, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's still your boy Habib Educate, and without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, Aquaba. So as I said, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to be able to have access to the YouTube desktop version right on your mobile phone from today onwards. So the people using laptops or computers, they have a broader view and advantage with these features right on the desktop site. So because you are using mobile phone, you thought you can have access to it, but here is a lie. You can still have access to something like the analytics, the community, the subtitles, the copyright, and customization and audio library, especially the audio library. So if you're a YouTuber who want to add a copyright free music to your videos, make sure you have the YouTube desktop site version on your mobile phone. If you are someone who wants to add all links to other social media handles so that whenever it is time for business and people want to contact you, they will be able to have access to your account or to you. You have to use the customizations and do that settings. So from today onwards, you'll be able to do all this right on your mobile phone after being able to use the YouTube desktop version on your mobile phone. So now I don't want to talk much. Let's head on to Google Chrome because I'm using an Android phone. Let me start the screen recording. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So now we are going to head on to Google Chrome. If you are using iPhone, head on to Safari. So when we click on it, in the search box, make sure you type youtube.com desktop. Now youtube.com desktop. So youtube.com desktop, let's hit on it. Okay, so if you see the first pop-up options, you can see YouTube and you see home. So we are going to long press on that YouTube icon. Now if you long press, there will be more pop-up options. Just select open in new tab. So when we hit on open in new tab, if you realize at the top right hand side there is a particular box written 4. Previously it was 3, but because you've opened a new tab, it became 4, including that new tab. So just head onto that box. So let's hit on that box. When we hit on that box, there is a new tab open. Hit on that new tab and it's going to take you to the YouTube desktop site, especially the mobile version. But we are not done, because if you are not able to toggle some settings, you won't be able to have access to the YouTube studio, because that's where you are going to do the magic. Now it's still loading. So here is the YouTube desktop site, but you won't be able to have access to the studio. So what we are going to do, because that's where you are going to do a lot of the settings. Now at the top right hand side of your mobile phone, you can see your own YouTube icon. So if you want to zoom it like this, if you want to squeeze it like this, so let's zoom it so that we'll be able to hit on that icon. Now let me scroll it. Here is the icon. Let's hit on the YouTube icon, especially if you are using yours. Hit on your YouTube icon. So in the pop-up menu, you can see Creator Studio. So if you check in there is Creator Studio. So hit on Creator Studio, and this will lead you to your YouTube Studio, especially the desktop version site right on your mobile phone. So it is still loading. Just relax. Okay, relax until it is done loading, and this will take you to your YouTube desktop site, the mobile version, in your YouTube studio. And this is where the magic happens. Voila, look at it. So if you check well, you can see right on my mobile phone, I have a laptop here. Okay, analytics, let's zoom it. Okay, now you can see analytics, you can see community, you can also see copyright, and you can also see customization and audio library. Guys, I think you've enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment in the comment section down below so that I will also reply and show you more. And if you are finding something difficult which you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will do a video for you. If you are a beginner or growing YouTuber, also let me know in the comment section down below. And I think this video is very beneficial. So it's still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's still your boy Habib Educated. I'll see you guys in the next video.